holiday chocolate espresso martinis. We are in Christmas mode over here.
Hi there, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you my espresso martini, and this is so delicious. It's in my book, Skinny Chicks Eat Real Food. One of the great things I love about all of the Skinny Chicks recipes is I always try to reduce calories, cut back sugar, swap a bad ingredient for a good ingredient. But this martini normally is about 450 calories because it calls for espresso, it calls for chocolate liqueur, and it calls for cream. We're not doing cream. Instead of cream, we're doing coconut milk. Instead of a big, heavy chocolate liqueur chocolatey, I'm doing crème de cacao. I don't know how to say that properly, and some vanilla vodka. The tools are you need a martini shaker, martini glasses. You need something to shave the chocolate. We've got this nice bar of chocolate here. We need to shave it down. And then something to crush. I use espresso beans, chocolate covered espresso beans. So you need something to crush them. I'm using a mortar and pestle. You can use the back of a cup and just crush them into a plate. All right, so for the ingredients, I'm using a 70% dark chocolate. So good. 2 shots of espresso, some chocolate covered espresso beans, coconut milk, crème de cacao. How do we say this? Someone's gonna write me a message, I'm sure. Vanilla vodka, and then obviously some ice. So let's get started. What I wanna do first is get the espresso beans crushed. So we're gonna pour them into my little, and you only need 10. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just gonna pound them down real quick. Here we go. I need to shave this chocolate, and I'm going to do that right into this dish here. So really quick, I just have this microplane. It's not like anything too fancy, but you're just gonna do this because once the martini is made, we're gonna just put these chocolate shavings on top. We're gonna sprinkle it. So 1 plate, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of coconut milk around the edges, just a little bit. We're gonna set that plate aside. The other plate, I'm going to put the chocolate covered espresso bean that I've crushed up. I'm gonna put it onto the plate here around the edges because this is going to be where we're gonna dip the rim of the glass. Ice goes in first. We'll get some ice in here, good amount of ice. Come on, baby, get in there. All right, so we've got ice in our martini shaker. I'm doing 3 shots of the coconut milk. 1, 2, 3. We need 1 shot of vanilla vodka, baby. Here we go. A little vanilla vodka. All right. So good. Wow. Smells like the holidays to me. Or any day. Okay. And 1 shot of the crème de cacao. Here we go. So here we go. 1 shot. Now, the 2 shots of espresso. If you don't want too much espresso, you could do 1. I'm doing 2. Here we go. 1. Oh, yeah. 2. And we're just going to put the lid on the martini shaker. All right. Shaky, shaky. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm super excited. I love the holidays, and I love chocolate espresso martinis. So this is ready. What you want to do, take your martini glass, put it face down into the plate where you put the coconut milk, just so you get the rim of the glass a little damp. Then you transfer it over into the plate where you have your crushed espresso beans. Oh my goodness. Chocolate covered espresso beans. Oh yes. Okay. You will definitely be awake after this martini. So here it is, and we are ready to pour. Beautiful. Last but certainly not least, the most important part of this whole thing is the fresh chocolate shavings. So let's just do a little bit on top. That looks delicious. Woo, I need to make another one so that you can have one with me. So let me just make one more and we're gonna have a few sips. Here we go.
Holiday chocolate espresso martinis. And they're actually good for any time of year. It's just that we are in Christmas mode over here. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.